Alright guys, this is what my car's been doing. I finally decided to take out my data checker, and I found out I can check the fuel, and it's misfiring every now and then while I'm at idle. I just messed with the wires, it didn't change, but I noticed it's doing this. This is just at idle. Could this be the injectors, or is it something else? If y'all know by any chance what this may be. And it only does it when there's a load on the engine, like the AC. I just turned the AC off right now, and it's still kind of fucked up.
So what's going on, man?
Alright, so thanks.